Welcome back to the road. Today we're visiting the enchanting town of Pierrefonds, France. Nested in the Hauts-de-France region, this picturesque town is best known for its magnificent chateau, a castle that looks like it was pulled straight from the pages of medieval legend. Pierrefonds' history stretches back centuries. The original castle was built in the late 14th century by Duke Louis of Orleans, the brother of King Charles VI, designed as both a defensive stronghold and a symbol of power. It played a key role in medieval France. However, like many fortresses of its time, it faced destruction in the 17th century by the order of Cardinal Richelieu, who sought to dismantle strongholds that could challenge the king's authority. For nearly 2 centuries, the ruins of Pierrefonds remained a forgotten relic, a mere shadow of its former self. That is until the 19th century, when Napoleon III commissioned the architect Eugène Viollet-le-Duc to restore the castle. Our first stop is the Church of Saint-Sulpice. This modest yet beautiful church stands as a reminder of Pierrefonds' medieval past. Its stone walls have witnessed centuries of devotion, and stepping inside, I can feel the quiet reverence that fills the space. The soft glow of the stained glass windows pins patterns of light onto the floor, adding to the church's timeless serenity. From the church, we began our ascent toward the Château de Pierrefonds. Let's go in and take a look. The path winds through the town, offering glimpses of rooftops and tree-lined streets. Now we pause to take in a breathtaking view of the town below. In winter, Pierrefonds feels frozen in time, its castle rising above bare trees, the landscape quiet and still, yet full of history. We arrive at the heart of Pierrefonds, its legendary castle. Originally built in the late 14th century, this fortress was restored in the 19th century, transforming it into a masterpiece of medieval revival. Walking into the courtyard, I'm struck by the sheer scale of the sculpture. The tiles, battlements, and intricate stonework make it feel like we have stepped into another era. The echoes of history reverberate against the walls, telling stories of knights, kings, and the ever-shifting tides of time. Inside the castle, we come across a fascinating display of architectural sculptures. Along them are imposing lines, mythical griffins, and even a striking Statue of Liberty, an unexpected detail that connects this medieval fortress to the broader world of art and symbolism. Each of those pieces tells a story, reflecting the artistic vision behind the castle's restoration. Moving deeper into the castle, we explore its grand halls and richly decorated rooms. The vibrant mirrors high vaulted ceilings, and intricate carvings transport us back in time. Some rooms still carry the grandeur of royalty, while others hold remnants of medieval life, offering a glimpse into the past. The Château de Pierrefonds is more than just a fortress. It is a place where history and imagination intertwine, where every corridor and chamber holds echoes of the past. Beneath the castle, we find one of its most mysterious areas, the cellar and the catacombs, dimly lit and steeped in history. This underground space houses haunting statues and eerie remnants of the past. The silence here is heavy, as if the walls themselves are keeping secrets from centuries gone by. I hope you enjoy this visit to Pierrefonds, France. This is a place where the past refuses to be forgotten, where a ruined castle left to time and decay was resurrected into something greater than it ever was. It stands today not just as a fortress, but as a monument to resilience, vision, and the timeless romance of history. It reminds us of the power of imagination, the beauty of restoration, and the timeless allure of medieval architecture. As I take one last look at the castle against the sky, I can't help but wonder how many other stories lie waiting beneath those stones, waiting to be uncovered. Thank you for watching. See you next time.